Hello guys, so in this video we have to find the volume of the ice cream cone that is bounded by the upper half of the sphere. So equation of sphere is given and below by the cone, that is z is equal to under root of x square plus y square. So I have already drawn the diagram, that is 3D sketch of these both curves. So below is the cone, this is the cone and this is the sphere. So it shapes like an ice cream, you all know that. So to solve this, to find the volume bounded by these both two, we will use the cylindrical coordinates. To use that, we know that in cylindrical coordinate x is equal to r cos theta, y is equal to r sin theta and z is equal to z, and x square plus y square is equal to r square. This is one thing. So if we will put the value of z in this equation, then what we will get? We will get x square plus y square. If we will square z, so a root will be removed, so it will again become x square plus y square. It will become 2. So it will become twice of x square plus y square is equal to 2. If we will cancel 2 from both sides, so it will become x square plus y square, and it is the equation of circle centered 0 and radius 1. So from here we can write the limit of r from 0 to 1 and limit of theta r from 0 to 2 pi, because this is the portion of the, means this is the base of the sphere. So it is revolving from theta is equal to 0 to theta is equal to 2 pi. Now to find the limit of z, what we will do? We know that upper part is the sphere and lower part is the cone. So from cone, so this is the equation of cone, that is z is equal to, so if we will replace it by polar coordinates, it will become x square plus y square is equal to r square and root of r square is r. So z value will vary from r to, so this is the upper sphere. So if we will write here it as, this will become 2 minus x square minus y square. So equation of upper sphere will be z is equal to, so this will be plus minus, so we will take plus because it is the upper sphere. So it will become 2 minus x square minus y square. This is the equation of upper sphere, and we can write it as 2 minus r square in polar coordinates. So the limit varies from r to under root of 2 minus r square. Now we will solve this by using triple integral. We know that dv is equal to r dz dr d theta. So we will directly integrate r dz dr d theta. So theta varies from 0 to 2 pi, r varies from 0 to 1, and this z varies from r is equal r to 2 minus r square under root. So here there is no any function of z, so dz will be directly integrated to z and the limits will be put on. So on further solving, what we will get? We will get it 0 to 2 pi, this will become 0 to 1, and this will become 2 minus r square under root minus r, and this will become r dr d theta. So we know that there is no any term of theta, so we can separate these both integrals. So it will become d theta, it will be integrated from 0 to 2 pi, and r will be integrated from 0 to 1. If we will multiply r to this function, so it will become r multiplied by 2 minus r square minus r square, and it will be dr. So d theta integral will be theta and limits will be 2 pi minus 0. So it is directly 2 pi, and then if we have to solve these integrals separately. So to solve this, we have to substitute two minus r square as t, then we will get r dr is equal to minus dt by 2, and if we will change the limit, So if we will put r is equal to 0, then we will get t is equal to 1, t is equal to 2, sorry, and if we will get r is equal to 1, then t value will be 1. So limit will be from 2 to 1, and this is minus 1 by 2. So to solve this, 2 pi multiply by limit 0, so limits are changed, so it will be from 2 to 1, and this will be like under root t multiply by minus of dt by 2, because r dr is minus dt by 2, and minus, and this will be integrated with respect to r only. So r square dr from 0 to 1. So if we will again solve this, so what it will become? So 2 pi, so 2 pi will be multiplied to both of these. Minus 1 by 2 will be thrown out, and this will become t to the power 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2, 3 divided by 2, and the limits are from 2 to 1, minus this 2 pi will be again multiplied to this, it will become r cube divided by 3, and limits are from 0 to 1. So to solve this 2 will be cancelled, and this will become minus pi. So 3 by 2 will be move upward, so it will become minus 2 pi by 3. So it will become minus 2 pi divided by 3, and if we will 1 to the power 3 by 2 minus 2 to the power 3 by 2. So if we will cancel out minus here, so the limits will be reversed. So we can write it as 2 under root 2 minus 1. So minus 2 pi again, so we have to minus 2 pi again, and it will become 1 by 3. So it will become basically 2 pi multiply by 1 by 3. So 2 pi by 3 will be taken out common. So it will become 2 root 2 minus 1 minus 1. So it will become 2 root 2 minus 2, and we can take out 2 again common. 2 root 2 minus 2. So the final answer we can write it as, this will become 4 pi by 3, 4 pi by 3 under root 2 minus 1. This is the final volume of the ice cream. This is the final answer. So basically we have solved it by the help of cylindrical coordinates. We can also solve it through spherical coordinate or Cartesian coordinates, but it is a better method to solve this because it is most simple in this case, in this type of questions, cylindrical method. So I hope you got some value from this question. Then please share it with your friends so that they can also learn such type of concepts, and please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.